Yes, this Agugbola, it might be in Dubai. So he was deported from this country. He was deported UAE again as a criminal case. It's a fraudster. Where's he from Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One video one day now coming realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. The case here on Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay. That Agugbola again. We are a fraudster. We are now a boundary Dubai. Only case in Dubai. A boundary totally banned. A criminal case. A boundary in Dubai. A boundary. A boundary totally in Dubai. Joy Mokan Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are.
Can you report my video? So guys, because we are going to touch bases. I don't know one beriri occasion naka. Nkita beriri occasion na po nkita na na po ya agugbo ego ndem mmadụ scam. I want you to tag him here because he threw a challenge na akoko onye shimbuka. And first and foremost, you know why I am replying you? Listen to me. I am the very well. I am the last woman. Every 24 hours. He begin on the streets are hustling. Igbo men that I know that are hustling. Even the Newe people you're trying to be their spokesman are on the are on the motor pass. Now hustle, they make money. And you know here. Listen to me. I am not like those numerous of your girlfriends that you could not marry and keep in the house. I am the last person to draw a battle line with. I am the last person to ever get used to FBI to threaten me. That is the line you cross. Jejo one woman and Abuja. Jejo one woman and the reason why Ogechi on a perpetual pain today is because Oshim na get threats and I get jitapo a deport. That is why it don't want a peace. Nkita beri occasionaka, listen to me. Nkita beri occasionaka, listen to me. Don't you that FBI got me out. Or there will be no peace. You want to that's nkita boria or occasionaka. That's a man. Am I the banyu? I want two different man. I want a couple. I want a ogologo. No so many buying. Now listen. I'm need the ogologo. And I bali also. Every day gay man. No. Why men are on the street hustling? You are busy scamming people. Edge deport to na UAE. Look at the country deport okay. Look at the country deport okay. UAE. Imagine how fucked up you are. Come on, UAE deport okay. Tell me what would your life benefit from? It would be gods to come and nigga. Who are you? Who are you? Iwonye? An idiot that left part of his destiny Nanke Dumeje. Left part of his destiny Nanke Mbaka. Left part of his destiny Nanke Zion. Left part of his destiny Nanke Akwakoko. Left part of his destiny Nanke JCN. Do I look like you? Do I look like you that your fellow men are somewhere hustling and you're looking for the money they hustle to feed you because of your greedy criminality, scamming activity that you went to UAE, gas scam, the government they deport Wagi. And they deport the people from Germany, US, London, Canada. Yeah, will come on UAE. They deport Wagi. Even people in Njaka deport to then I would get deported. Are you not a useless man? Useless man, if I ask. Yeah? Imagine UAE that people in Njaka get deported. Shiboge, I want to leave. Can I deport to tell you the lowest of your lowest of it all? Imagine you. Do you know how many people that I have hooked up that they had to deport from UAE? They're looking for Canada visa, US visa, London visa. Could you imagine your life? They deported your misery from UAE. People in Njaka intentionally deported. Then you are the useless idiot they deported. That be with the mono. No, that all my lineage. Blue passport to blue passport. Can't shit like you very with the honor. You have lost. You're no longer concentrating. Look at an idiot. How old are you? Papuma shower iriafole. Apunoma shower that will not be proud to even know. A rejected woman. Listen to me. If you don't call that FBI, this town, J-Pipe giving you $500,000. Oh, idiots. Look at people you're kissing their ass. Why can't you tell J-Pipe to come and challenge me? So Imaru J-Pipe woman. Oh, you did not know? So when he my brother that who I'm well loved. My brother that I love so much. This is my brother na Germany. This is my brother. Okay. I won't look at the J package inside the Jerry will be clear happier. J pack. Look at that just so happier for a while. I won't look at. Do you think I play such game? Look at the shadow be at Mamu. He has to run inside to go and bell look at. Only here na dem my brother. My own brother. Iwonyara. In Kitabola all Grinaka, let me warn you. If you don't bring that FBI, I will be your FBI in this blue app. Because your record is overwhelming. I'm a number chat today. People that will give me more of your information are coming. You are very hopeless. You are very imagine the sugar parike get biyo. Then I got to beg and kiss a to feed you. I'm shaking all like this as a man. As a man, can somebody send that I'm a guahana? It's on a mount, gangedege, it's on a mount, bang bedebede, it's on a mount. Send that I'm a guan. Can somebody send it to me on WhatsApp? It's on a mount, bang bedebe, because I like me guan. Despite that, I like them. As far as it sound good to me, I will play it. It doesn't matter who played it. It doesn't matter who is the singer or who sang the song. It's none of my business. So, when your fellow men, we are busy hustling, you are busy doing 419 na scam people na UAE. Na scam unde madu. A turugi wage ka ball babagina go na net. Turugi ship from Dubai people majira ka buru ya ni shibalaga get deported. Imagine how worthless you are. Imagine that your life is the lowest of it all. You can even manage on your deporter from Turkey. You can even manage on your deporter from other countries, Dubai, where people go and spend their money. Where people go and show this country, I'm tired. Where people are rejecting to beat is where epikirigi. Dika nkita borio, nkita taranu. Anu nkika, ejiri ya jia yo ya. He went the audacity shemu. Let me even, guys, so, can I get his threats, not video? Can I go the threats again? Eh, yirim gi jaba weather. Gi were ya get with one thing, where he weather, why deceive one dinner, deceive no good. It will go to wagare like this. Here he just scam ugande maduna Dubai, scam uga people, atoro get to ayoge. Eh? Aturuki kaya ge kampuku iba ge were henda we daja plus here where ya fife like e baga spray nishi no good ihuru good your conditioner like this. Well, on the chori help okay, because they see that you have lost it all. They have seen that you have lost it all. Look at the history of you and J Park. The same pass and parcel, replicant of each other. Replicant history J Park only from Dumeje. How many people shim up go to J Park? But to you only 500,000. That 500,000 got check her for. It will chill for. Look at how fucked up you are. Look at how fitted, how dirty you are. You beg and beg. Igran Zion got it from wine. Chena hage pay attention. Actually, like kareba. Actually, the same you that came out indirectly and sagaring Zion had the audacity. And let me warn you. You see this case, you see this matter. Remove Zion from your dirty, filtered life. You know this case, Zion has nothing to do with it. Stay clear. They don't need you, they don't want you, they don't need your support. You are done. Edufulagi, Eject Gogi, so fuck off. Nobody invited you. Nobody called you. Don't you ever start mentioning Zion because you have lost the credibility and they want to use Zion again. Don't you ever in your life try it. I try it, Palaya. Nketabo eri occasionaka. Don't you ever. With the Zion nime eji para Ogi as who? Ogi as a deportee? Ogi as a criminal? Ogi as who? If I may ask you, Nketabo eri occasionaka. Ogi as who? Who know you? Who the fuck knows you? If I may ask you, Ogi as onye? Who with double? Excuse you. Emakona wonye nugu kewo. Emakona wonye nsoka kebo. Do you know that? Get position in your life to talk to a woman like me. Are you mad? So you don't understand the level that where you want to tap into. In a shana one you who are money. Chineke bogo. One you who money we feed you, we hire you, we pay you. We'll not even hire you because you're not educated, you're a daft, you're a tout. And then na who bokage. And I'm a way who money. At least I would be who no man and no tego. Can you go so Bram Ganaka and deport all from the cheapest country on earth? Idiot, not the medicine and UAE. Are you? Okay? I have where this major one I need. So you put on people are not in the deporter. I can't get a UAE a deporter. You see how fucked up you are. And then on Nigeria, get him and Suka village, Juna. That Uba Honako, Nima, Nimu Yelua, and Bombora Mune. Abere wine Bunu. I get a booze or those get booze or Kalegani, good morning. Before I hear you, look at an Suka village man. They were Tremono. Are you okay? They wouldn't buy an anya. I want to know to Ginishi. Did I hear you on FBI? Did I hear you on FBI? Hello? Hello? Okay, come check you. Thank you. God bless you. Mama, akumegu ana get the property. Ni waro bonago ni so na ihe nwoke Igbo na eme. That's why I want to play this song. So aguma negu today this song that nwoke Igbo gbotoro what to do heji nwoke eme. Nwoke Igbo no na ife na eme. Get susu pota. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now can go on my thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. Come share on my page, then use my decent the image as a me. Thank you. Touch up EG her email. Thank you so much. I appreciate my brother. Come do this thing now. Go on. I share me on my big. Agamabia. Diaguana. Jogajuju. You know what makes men women? Give an obodo you put one identity. Get one fingerprints. I'm coming to finish you. So that all I'm that FBI. You want to go? Do you see what gallant men do for the country they love? Do you see it? Do you see when gallant men talk, they have reason to open mouth and talk? Eh? He's not ordinary a military guy. Oh. He's not ordinary. So, come on, anybody hit all the hots. And they come. You want to go? So, when you want to talk to me, you level your life with men that want it. And when I hear Jenny Chono, or hear my baka, that's your useless hair clean. You see, I'm using it to clean the dust. Where put that rubbish banaka? Just where you clean in my house. Because a cleaner is where you belong. You don't belong where men want it to belong. So shut your trash to even open mouth to talk to me. This is what men. He's not ordinary a military guy. What I mean? So when you want to talk, when you want to talk to me, you show me level and class. You are classless. Basically classless. And that may finish is to go digging now. I'm talking my hero here. The hero of Americans. And the hero of Igbo. Chiraka talk here. You want to be celebrated. Chiraka walk back on. But you wait anymore. I don't know how to Chiraka, let me open the window. It's kind of hot. Now listen, let me warn you. When I hear Jenny Choyo, Ebaka, ne fare, Ebaka ne fare when you're talking to me. Be warned. Don't you ever in your entire life, again, Shemu, FBI, let that day be the first and the last you will try it. Wama doga get up a pamuramoge. You want to go? That thing, just wherever you need champion because as it sits now, you don't have no career. School, you no go. Nothing you no get. You are just a hunter. Looking for a room to beg for Igeri. Don't you ever. And you not get that 500,000. Just put that me. Don't you ever mention my fucking name again. You that is worthless. You that is worthless. Worthless not if you talk when you that is this thing eje clean the dust. Sin academy like this. In academy like this, you don't you ever in your entire generation to even try me. I am too hot for you to try. Don't you ever. I am not like every other women who humiliating at this blue app. Don't you dare me. I'm going to for people to like me. I never told you. I need more enemies. More enemies. Okay. He commented that the last man is waiting for me. I ignore you. But calling nigga is what I will. What Allah? Okay. Hold on. When I got no here, be me anything. Hold on. Let me block your destiny. Hold on. Turn. What I go? As you can see now, I'm not in the same circle with all these women. All the jobless, hopeless men. That cannot leave fingerprint if that cannot even be proud. Oh, he's from Nigeria. You don't even have anything. Oh, he's from Igbo. You don't even have anything to represent anything that attached with where you come from. All you incompetent men. Before you talk to me, you go and show me what you are made of. Look at an idiot like you. You want to go? No, I'm blocking them. I block them, Hannah. Don't worry, I'm blocking them. Don't you ever in your entire generation. I can understand the predicament of what you're passing through. And he's still behind. I can understand your pain. I can understand how frustrated you are. But don't bring it to me. That you make yourself the cheapest criminal. Where you be deported is from common UAA. Don't you ever in your entire fucked up life to near me. That you went to Zion to seek for your money. The same J Park he came to me. If I lie, let me not see tomorrow. Came to me and start telling me your predicament. How fucked up your life has become. How messed up you have become. That he's ready to war you. Nigga and Zion beach ego. Eh? You won't yara. Those numerous concubines and and girlfriend deal with not washing her name without condom. So am I that stupid to follow a tout that cannot even write his name? So you felt like a galonia de cam. That I'm ugly does not mean that I will end up with a foolish man like you. You want to go? Ega who go di udem madam doro. Ega who go di that Ogechi is class. I am not a prostitute. Aria kunango that I marry this place and run out and run this place and run out. No. You want to go? For a medical doctor alone is not a joke. For an army general alone is not a joke. Do you get to understand? That is why you cannot keep a woman. You cannot even marry a woman and keep in your house. You want to go? So don't see me as all these single prostitutes. I'm not cheapo. So build your woman before even no adi. I am a self-made person before I got married. Don't you ever in your... Actually, I can't even keep you in a place and hire you. You know the audacity. Beshemo. Are you among the Navy? Are you among the elites? Are you among the people who are to Imakwe Bishi? Imakwe Bishi, I will put one thing and go put a boon na libo. Iwonyara. Look at I need you to be forget those the blues or destroy Yage. Sometimes even if you talk, we cannot even understand what you're saying, idiots. But come on, before you mention that in there, we get booze or there is a gire. Who are you to speak for us? Don't you know why J packaging went to call Cadento because she's from in Navy? Are you mad? Let's now I'm not in your entire life. Kachineke happy Bugono. Also that beg 1 naira to eat, 2 naira to eat and survive. Are you not? Inubananya? Anaboga nkitaba eri okasinaka. Kana bogi na wore tebaka don't you ever in your entire life to near me because I'm too rugged for you to fuck with. Did you hear what I said? Stay clear from me. I'm a very sharp object. I'm a Palamawa. I am not that type. I hope I'm all these women who name intimidate. I am not that kind. I am married. I am fulfilled. What more can you tell? Shower that all the hotel she's visiting and she's hugging and eating 1 naira, 2 naira. Do I look like that? Prostitution. Are you mad? Stay clear 1 billion away from me. Useless like you. You be like get put la one akon. You makwani ishi one akon adi ato na mbi wo nyara. Eh? Kagina na grass. Ado chicha. Ado ke. Ada ngbere. Ina ekwu na ewu Agugbola for we are. Nkita na azo kan ha ga-egbu ya. Nkita na azo kan ha ga-egbu ya. Nwa nkita na-eri nshi. Nwa nkita na-eri nshi. Na-aza Agugbola. Nkita bola nshi n'aka. A pig can again myself. You talking. Unyara. Ndebun bocha abacha gaje aya. Agwagena ndenne wi na agwa abacha. Agwagena ji come on wuru nkita na ata abacha. Ina sa nkita aguna obola. Idiot. Bia susuru kwa gi. You that sold your dignity, don't you ever in your life cross past where they. Onyara. Nkita totrola afa na ngega tatatu ya. Ina za Agugbola. Onye gwara gị na agụ na ata ahịhịa. Onye gwara gị na agụ na ata aja. Onye gwara gị na agụ na eri nshi ụmụazị nyụrụ maka ndị okenye. Ewo nkita gbala nshi n'aka. Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ ime nshọnụkwa aha m. Bi onye ọla apụtara na ife anya ba ihe anya ba. Fenyu bụ wada nne gị. Owa plan nne gị. Stay clear from him. He's a man to reckon with you. Who will reckon with you? And I reckon with a criminal like you, a deporter. The worst thing we do to a man, even on a condition Udela. When Udela was deported, the queen and go end, you will soon end like Udela. You will soon end like Udela. Osun. How dare you? How dare you? Get the big not a gun. You get G fight to Ogechi. Where you it's always scam Igbo. Do you want to scam Nderi like you? It's always scam Nderi like you. Ogechi, Biana, Tabakan, Una chokwali guwa you again. Una chokwali jahame kunte mato waye because my name is easy to because only all chaka. Because no back on. Una chokwali scam people again. Nobody should pay you guys attention. Oh, you guys are criminals. Criminals. Each one ebo se ga baje suoshi. E banana Zion emege bru heje yicha bru. Get bru heje yicha bru. Each and get deceived in the Zion. All Zion people are educated, wise. Stay clear from that place. You are no longer needed. You have sold your dignity. Igalana came back, rigam baka, kotam baka. Igalana came to watch, riga to watch, oh, we. Gapan and K Zion. Gachori riba, hundeba, and wagon had the wise. That if I fame and a famaya, I gonna do machine. A chop passenger. Aguna get my machine na Lagos gana ebushia ge. Get manam e machine na Lagos gana ebushia ge ari ma aghewu. Egite gi no lo okada ebi na mo okada atoy na aga na ga kwa aga me paro. Enwetagom the song asha go mi ale nwa. Enwetagom the song. Onye la bịara ni ya chọrọ iri de Zion. Onye la chọrọ ni ya bịara iri nde oje pike abla kuta ya isusu nkwala bịa kuta gị. Dị ngo ama gị na aga na Lagos achebe oge Jesu agidi. Ya hu mmadu ya so ihe ya. In a sorry who if you are proud of yourself. Because everyone know that the condition has turned you because you were criminal idiots. Ya wuru ni irrespect to onwe. God this one mama akoria asoria na aso. Mami hona zaza mama umaboro koria kabam. Oya ka suo gi. Ka echiga nda one echiga. Ka hu ye make am bombo like this. Ke ya na eka. Ara nya na eka. Ima shi ibi adotana nwo. Idiots, useless set of people. Ke hu ya ba. Ya like this. I don't know. Yeah, and they edit the video. Yeah, they area like this. And they edit the video. Try echigam get all of you. Step on my toes. Come crush ya. All these hungry idiots that believe it on Facebook page. Una Ogechi. Una wula man. Una bena oma. Some of you, LLM page, you and when you know when the Maba go do no get until you are able to gare. And what I go? Until you don't get because I'm a safe video. You're not because I don't look for anybody's trouble. And I'm not no women. If what I'm doing, if you don't like my guts, if you don't like how I talk, stay clear, mind your business. Facebook is too big to contain all of us. Why are you always in my business? Why the fuck always in my business? I don't know none of y'all. I do my things. If you don't like my guts, if you don't like how I speak, if you don't like how bold I am, then go and shovel it in your eyes. It's none of my business. Go and control not to me. Odogu carry Odogu. Odogu is not only by money, by class, by society, by whatever it takes to enter where you cannot enter. Who the fuck are you to come and tell me how to run my shit? My husband never complained. Umuneti never complained. Nadim never complained. People that matters never complain. Yeah, we talk to like you. Now we have business. I don't know. And when you get this word up, I will never meet you. Even if I meet you, I have no business with you. Why is my God a problem? Why is my God is my fucking problem? I don't know. Do I know any of you? If you feel so intimidated, then block me and fuck off my page. Because do you think it's back then in the days where women cannot talk? Some women too are so intimidated by me because they are so inferior. They can't stand and defend themselves. Ogechi is a problem. I'm a it's some give up na Malaysia. It's some give up na Makala. It's some give up na all part of the corners of the world. We na bo he kegi na gana ke babalawo na ogu. Am I among you? Esomunu. With these people, you will just see somebody, her God, the way she talk, you hate. I can't even start. What is my talking got to do with you? I'm single like you. Actually, me would book another man. As someone would you know. We don't know what you have until you lose it. Oh no, but you what you know one way or another. Man, but you na broke me shinala. Ne respect ya. Because I'm here na cover auto one woody. I decided to cover my auto. Yeah, what problem? What is in a problem? I don't decide to work when I continue. She's very arrogant. How is my arrogance? Did I mention your name? Did I fucking know you? Every day, wahala. Every day, I got you. No, we go. Day your lane. If you hate me when they love me for me, be me. Trust me. People that love me is more than what you think. And then I to get you in the church card. They are all these useless Igbo men. Real Igbo men love me for me. They talk to me, and they know Ogechi Okeke respect. They know men that matters in the society. They love me. Now, if you're not talkative, this has been my way of operating on social media. It's not about being talkative. This is me. You can't stop me from speaking my mind. It's about me telling you that I will not allow you to subdue me. That is it. You can't tell me that. If you are intimidated by me, that's your business. I am not afraid to face my fear. Threatening me, I will come brutally 21 million times. That you're too weak to challenge your fear. I'm not. I never look for a shoulder to lay on. I'm always standing on my own. People will come and lay their shoulder on me. I'm not intimidated by no bagger. I don't rally around to look for relevancy. I stay on my own to issue my problem. If you don't like me, pack one side. Every day, I got you. Every day, I got you. And I can't get it. You know na no ge. You when I'm one and gaba na akpoma. When some bloggers some gacha ne agwaram guys listen. If you want to carry my video, to not speak any negative thing in my video. Because if you speak negative thing, I will claim my property. I'm warning you. If in my picture, I will take it. If you want to carry video, even if you don't want to know how to talk, just don't ever speak any negative thing on my video. Or that's one Deportation Ogechi strike again. You can use my video, but do not speak any negative thing with my content, because I will destroy you. I want while I'm gonna. Some people went and posted before I didn't even warn. They are crying on it. Don't even use my picture. In one video, my picture, no, don't copy it and post on your page. You. If you are my enemy, stay anything that has to do with me away. I don't have problem with people copying it. Doing their own, posting it to the after all on your monetize the page. If I can feed you, no problem. If you can use my video to do feeding, no wahala. But don't speak negative words. If you don't like me, you should not carry anything that has to do with me. Period. Ndala. Ndala. Stay clear. I'm a brutally weapon. And I'm a banishi. And then he got survive here. Stay clear. Stay clear. Don't say I did. Even in man who mega copy picture man on there. Weapon. Dala. Every time Ogechi didn't know. Anana man no bon. Eirim gimu I got no katana name enjoy your man ibe. Eirim gimu I got no katana like this man hodo. Na be yaka. Una no go there on our own. Every dog get no every dog. When I come, that's Ogechi problem. When I come for you, and when I want idiot, mama will take it to the bleaching reaction about my you. One useless, foolish idiot. When I was even fighting with Obodoless man, the idiot, and where put my video, where put my picture on your platform. I'm warning you, you know, I don't want to, because Irube, when get bitter face yegi, because I don't want to be the one to give anybody follower. Remove my picture from that video you tag. I am not the kind of person you fuck with. Remove me. Don't cry to say Ogechi strike. I go remove all my picture and run your mouth. Remove my picture. Don't say I didn't warn you. You hate me naturally. Everything that concerns me. And then when you put my video, fucking remove my video. Remove it. Chineka Bogono. Ndala. Bunch of idiots. And I do me with evidence. Video did I mention your name? What guts and audacity do you have to question me? When I was making the video, was your name mentioned in that video? Was your name mentioned for you to have the audacity to come and tell me, to come and ask me for evidence? Are you not? Do I look like your wife or your girlfriend or your concubines? It's a big question. Okay, I mean, evidence that's your prick and all before you get the evidence. The evidence. I say who you be. I see one year. It's a big question evidence. So the ones J Parker has been saying all this way, have you ever asked him evidence? Have you ever asked him evidence? Yeah, what evidence? The ones he has been blabbering for years, were you able to knock his head and share evidence? Okay, chicken I do evidence because I'm okay to you know they rise again. Come evidence foolish idiots. And I beg you, and I do evidence say, ma gonna J pipe, ya no nga ye kwuru. Dala, and I be at you evidence. I say, who you be? You want it? And I'm man ole. ija be jomo. Ina no nyari am. Mad idiot everywhere. Ina be jum evidence. Astiji wuro onye. Astiji wuro onye. If I may ask you. Nga shake okon. Bia agoba chere nkita gba oriri ogiri n'aka. Let me warn you for the last time. Seize my name from your mouth. Because you will not like me. Seize my name from your freaking deported mouth. In I got it everywhere and I show how to put food on your table. Stay clear from me. In I got it from one corner to one corner. From one room to one room. Nah, cho. Stay away from me. Let me be the last person you will ever come and threaten. Where you belong is in Sokabunu. Go back there and start cultivating. Go there and stop deceiving people. You were a failure. You have failed in life. Go there, go back to Onu Kimbom. Because when he passed around a while. School, you know, go. Sharp, you know, sharp, even sharp. That's a condition again. In I say, anyway, one thing you made a video according to people because I don't fucking watch you. You are fucking try to me. There's nothing to learn from a loser like you. That's why I'm like you. I don't deal with in the loser. I always go for people that are in the game. Look at that. I'm not giving anything to do with. I don't even know why. Well, Zion is a place where I should know lazy. And when we hear now who know lazy. And I hunde ngoro, and I hundara, and I hundi shidema, and I hunde banuru. Gibanu lazy when he hear gang, I can understand the reason why Zion welcome everybody. Igwe Park tonda babu kwegi. Tonda babu kwegi. Iwonye. Do I beg you for the believing? I issue my statement out there. I did not ask you to believe or not to believe. Okay, give belief now. What is the difference? Show you evidence so you can believe. If believe one and when believe one, I'm the believer, I'm the believer. What is my business? If believe one and when that he believe for what I'm saying now. And are you gonna give me money? Are you among the people that I will notice that believed? Show me evidence. If believe for now, will I even notice that you believed? Iwonyara. It just seems so you believe. Believe, it's better you don't believe and keep questioning your stupidity there. Idiot. Many that tell us will be their family problem. People, bunch of people that are battling with the family problem. Ufodo shinadi bapata. Ufodo ano. Ufodo things are bothering them. Ya Ogechi mata. Chinek ara no. Una the craze. Ufodo want millions of problems they are facing. Ufodo buoria. Ufodo na the bench of Achopolo. Ogechi problem. Una bemumu. Ufodo na every night. Ana beka Chineke gozie ha. Problem had too much. Ufodo want a family problem that is choking them. Every day, bro, Ogechi mata. Echi gonna just solve for Hega Yanoga. Na chuari Ogechi. Keep the push Ogechi. Man, no problem, man. Babuya. Ya chuari Ogechi no. I will take a diagnosis today, Paul. When that even with a bad result today, still get better on Facebook. Let me tell you, I don't remove family problem. I don't remove personal issue. What I increase or I double. That is it. And I query. And if as I'm talking to you, when the landlord who got to put this night. As I'm talking to you, when they soon be who try how to settle the matter. And I shall get so up by hanging nuri. It's of a problem for family. Some family member give natural big support to her in their business. Can I tell you a cut pocket? I didn't get that. Look at I need you to deport from UAE. You need to be worried about how to get your life together. Suzurula, don't you ever in your entire life again mention my name. If the kind of job J Park name na collect ni ike onyema kwa bito na collect ma when it impossible for a man that is broke. Nothing is impossible when a man is broke, because if you can subject yourself to this, he will take up get where henda keza he henda nda na pomputa ya na agba get where spray and na check ebe diarrhea make go ngash. Gile that thing you call good. Yana chaka ebeta ebu maka we gada area. Ebu maka me gada jadi. Huna call jadi jado maka mbo. Giwete ka gejiba ba chere. I wish you wouldn't pay. Me get penti ya. This is a god. You want a god you reach when na UAE. Yoma. You want a god ke mishi dem UAE. You want a god butcher yana sukabunu. Nden sukabunu na acho god. Nden sukada no one god. This is God. Chena bunu God bitoya. This is God. Get with it. Mama be chair with the yellow color. Get paint gaya. Ginale ima and go maka no shijadi a bouquet. Get with it abinya. This is a God. They just want to help your fucked up life. They all know say na kurako. The more you look, the less you see. All glitters are not good. Oh, one here, Dala. Ibia would when I spray a sprayer. Papa. They buria. In with a gold do her like that. Gagana. Unsuka bunu. All it who gold. Because some of them buy in the ego. Then we go do na magana newi. Gaga convince ye the billionaires. My God. Is God. This is God. If you go to condition God cannot like this. You want the kind of God do. Let me tell you. Onyo Lazaro that thing. Zoria in the name of Inyerega, because they have seen that in the gina every gina hano to banuru. That's it. They have left you behind. They have left you behind. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. Ehona no one. One boki chubego. That's a book credo. One boki chuego because they become rich. Gena husiha. Ihe na na-emezigi. Ina people gena managation ba. Ni when appointments. I can understand your predicament. I can understand your failures in life. Before Ken, a man arrest. That was anchoring a program. Ken, she listen. Okay, rumbe. I made the. I hope people that are following me can remember vividly what I told Ken. She okay rumbe. People gonna have to be though. Your age mates. Gabako ne eri go ha patara. Ihere iputa gizi issues that ha gaba back inside. Because so he jira aka mo onwegi. Ya dike buru mi amuma. Oh here na me this Agugbola na. Oh here na me this nketa na eri nsha. Because Bobby Doro Sama nketa ba shinaka. Bobby Doro Sama ye tele. Bobby Doro na show say I belong good don't they. When a young Igbo boys, Papa is just in his 20s. Papa is in his 20s. Eben Yibuoya. Gaga with a one thing about it and all. Papa just want to feed you. Papa is doing this for people not to see him that he's a bad person. He's just helping you. How many won't get an erinche? How many won't get an erinche? Okay, go. Eswar is umaka. When a boga na UAE, akwa kana chobo shaputa na social media. Biabara ego. Akwa kana choko shaputa bia chondoga ku ndoga tunza ya nishi. Stop degrading yourself. Akwena ka keza ha dibia okongbulari. What is his name? This ayaya. Akwena ba ayaya Jesus because egwere loko. It don't set. Where is you okay? Ona na dibia ndeka ya patala. Young waso. Where la brain bia no na ego. Akwena nka na shi afia free ibu mu agadi wan. Akwena ba and that is how you understand. That is how it is. I'm not here just one day, pocket yoye. Pocket is empty. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. I ain't getting an go and fetch your lost cow. That Suru Wekiko. You're not buying peanut to like here, Nata. Okay, that your fake go do not chan. Zero ago. I know it's frustration. Okay, gala go. I just shake. Mbwetina biaragi na ya ndi Igbo na agwaki. Nwanyị feel on am beautiful. Diana biaragi. Nde ji ka ogili like us analo. Nde ji ogili like us analo. Nde ne ha package your fuma. Joro njoba ejiri jo anya analo. Kasa nya mana so nwere mo ga eru. Anya jo no shi. Digi gbanu. Omo ge gbanu. By then, I'm very ugly. I'm beautiful. Beautiful get which you go back now. Yeruziam. Every year get claim motion on a day. Every December get claim motion on a day. Tomorrow get claim more. Maggie see the weights. Because he beg every year. Set getting in a village. Chani hishi. In a village like this, get what Chiamaka na dear like this. Get your cousin go beg. I don't call home. Imani hina zero him away. Imani zero no him away. And hope I Chiamaka meregi. Just a Chiamaka Lurudi, and you're older than Chiamaka. When you was in Malaysia now, Chiamaka was busy. Now Choboja Ludi. When you was in Dubai, Apa was busy planning how to come and school you no go. We know Sakpa no go school, but at least look at a common useless woman. Are you making issue? If me Peggy Bago so in on Ghana, Chonyo. Come and listen to your life story. They get life story. Also, come and see. That's an Dubai. Come and hear voice. They are looking for you. Majority of you. Oh no, Chuipuna Gafferela no. Machine Pana no 1 euro. No club na ngome. No channel shielu tabu. Na ngome na chop one unu I got this ex-convict. I'm my back again. Very chat this one. My face again. This ex-con. What he make again? Hey, I got bag. I mean, Guinea Jin keton. Magiwu a man. They chogoni get me commercial motor. Ya pay go to. How can they put go pay business? Those people are debuted go make that business. Oh, they can eat him. Life will get us in there. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. But I can't. Because Ogechi is always on the point. Begia. They could reason because they want boogie. Now lie. There you're there, I'm not gonna notice you. But I ain't gonna look at man. I'm not gonna notice just on your own. On your own. Day your day. Come happy to the your fucked up life. Day your day. Kai gegi. Chere. Guys, na share no. All who na court here. Yeah, man, I trip home off. Na share no. I need to destroy these people. Na share no. Emuna wankete. Na share no. Eh? I want to cause this thing. I want to shares, subdue all these things. Love, click love, shares, click love, likes. Recommend us. Comment Facebook. We are recommending this video. Facebook read, they see. So your name, Anna Hejanya home. They know they take eye, see me.
Yes, this Agugbola, it might be in Dubai. So he was deported from this country. He was deported UAE again as a criminal case. It's a fraudster. Where is Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One day now realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. Case here one at Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay. That Agugbola again. We are who a fraudster. We are now a band Dubai. A case in Dubai. A boundary, totally banned. A criminal case. A boundary, a Dubai. A boundary. A boundary, totally Dubai. Joy Mokan Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are in Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are in Dubai. More than not Karela. We are in Dubai. Where's Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One video, one day now come and realize how many million debt he had in Dubai. Case here one at Dubai, can we case it to lawyer? He can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again. Okay. That Agugbola again. We are who a fraudster. We are now a boundary Dubai. A case in Dubai. A boundary, totally banned. A criminal case. A boundary, Dubai. A boundary. A boundary, totally Dubai. Joy Mokan Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case. Na Dubai. On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are in Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are in Dubai. Okay, more than not Karela. We are in Dubai.
Now. Nkita gba eriri ọkaji n'aka. Nkita na-eri nshi. So, iwe deportee na Dubai onye ọla na-decide deport onwe ya. And deport oge. So he were deportee na common Dubai. Again where the other city be with 3 months. He won yare. Me here na meginishi. Are you okay? Let today be the first and the last day. Come hapo. Come hapo. Come hapo. E dochage. No, wegi. Stay your day. Buru life forget that it's already fucked up. Day your day. Bru life forget etijare already day your day. I am warning you for the last time. In any way, directly, indirectly. Because him can make it this time. You know this? Let me just manage your remaining leftover. Let me just manage you and save you for more disgrace. Again. In our lako to la nation, Romeo within the failures ibeki. In our lako to la nation, Romania with your follow failures. I am not in your categories. I am not a deportee. Even a deport in America is Ogu. A deport to go in America, not somewhere where people they carry their baggage they run. Not where people they deport themselves and deport working. Imagine where nde matona joaju. People le jizaka jogi. Don't stay. Any other basaram stay away. Michael Obi, I'm not busy. No, Michael Obi, you're not like this useless man. You're not like this useless. Oh my goodness. You're not like this atom, Makachi. You don't like this ewu. You want to go? I am referring to him because Ojene Bangu, Ibeana, and Gabano Wehuru. Ye Bangu, Jebu, Jesumoshi. I don't worry, Tiga, and Agabe. Oh, and I panic again. I pull over the Gary, Alize ego, and I pull away the porter again. When the money fell, no coco, they will not allow you again. Gawana and Soka Bunu, Gako Wubo. Ono na akorice abakeleke, right? Upon na Soka na akorice in that abakeleke. Werogu, Jemadia J. Komaya, and the Gabali alone wine. Bali alone when your family wine you go get to cover all this your fucked up life. Because they want the niggas okay. All this your begging, church kaga baba, ebeka baba. It's a rime. Whew, itiele. Itigo. And this painting na gbara anyị na cup na gbara anyị na akwụkwọ this foil eje ke chicken gị bega were foil eje ke chicken ga agba ya paint ewes is la foil ana eji ere mai you can open a my place ebe da kwa akara ere mai gị gbacha foil ahụ gị gbacha ya papa ihe na agba ya Geji came my mind the mother's way an area. You will make more money than a paint in a foil. I hate my mind than he is. There are many ways you can run a business than this rubbish in a susu. This your end property of life in a susu. This is what I know. Jebon degana a jacket a goregi beans. Get with it, that's paint he paint China foil and they came my mind in a with a cup gaba mama mo jadi umaka dry can a banner in a banner that's in a gonna and them mad step on the street and go and fry my mind JK people oh this is my mind will go do hey yeah go and use that talent to make money on the streets. There are many ways you can sit down or my mind. Don't bring down to me. I'm not in your level. Even if today, say, I no go work again. I go look for low income house. America gonna give me food, they chop. And when mama get you in any level. Okwa can go on woge. Can go on woge. Even if today say I know switch food to chop again, I go military quarters and I Henry for free. And I all military wives just as I decided not to go and collect. And we can go and live in military quarters. I say my husband will not live there, I know they go. So when we pay or a labenjo, and when they are military here, we can go there and stay. When the military wives, their quarters. Oh my God, I make him allow video there. I could have taken you there, make it like a video. When I got on the same obo, I know on the same obo with you. Look for your mates. Look for your mates. Even today, say we no fit pay house rent time. We go military quarters. Go stay. You understand what I'm saying? When I got on the same circle. No. I know. Oswuno that is failures. I'm not in the same circle with Ona. Day or day. My dear, your fucked up life. See how you can rekindle or how you put it. Find your way where you left it. I am not in your circle. Did you hear me? I'm not in a circle.